Stop buying online programming courses, especially if you're a beginner. Let me guess what kind of person you are. Come here, just come here. You are a beginner, you've just seen a post about someone making 6 figures programming and you're like, if they can do it, I can do it. You've tried programming before, you've tried some online free courses, but you always kind of just like fall off it and you just kind of get bored. So you've decided, let me buy this course. I'm gonna buy this so I hold myself accountable. And I'll do every single lesson in this course and I'll be amazing in no time and I'll get a job and it's easy peasy just like that. I'm here to tell you, you're probably right. That's probably a good way to go about it. I'm just here to tell you right now, you don't need to buy a course to learn how to program. There are so many free courses out there that will get you to the level of getting hired. I promise. If you're trying to become a software developer and you're trying to target web development in general, you just need to learn the key 3 things: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are dozens and dozens of online free courses that you can just take advantage of. Now, don't get me wrong, I generally think paid courses have their place in this world. I think if you're intermediate to advanced level and you're trying to learn specific things in the programming world or software development world, go for a paid course. You'll 100% get your money's worth. And there are amazing software developers out there that will teach you and show you their core principles on how to get yourself to the next step. But if you're a beginner, trust me, you can do it for free. I promise. I did it myself. I'm a software developer with over 6 years of professional experience. I haven't paid a single dollar for a course, and I never will, because I genuinely believe I don't need to, especially with the internet nowadays and how YouTube is with educational videos. I simply follow the 3 big rules. I learned HTML, I learned CSS, I learned JavaScript, and I was just able to build little projects, and I slowly but surely learned smaller frameworks and bigger frameworks, and before I knew it, I managed to get hired. And you can do it too. So in this video, I'm just gonna recommend to you some very good YouTubers that I think have great courses and you should definitely check them out. So for HTML and CSS, Dave Gray has incredible videos. He's got an amazing course online for free on YouTube. It's a playlist, follow it step by step, understand it, take your time with it, and I promise you, you'll pick it up in no time. He also does have a JavaScript course as well that is similar to his HTML, really good. When it comes to JavaScript and the JavaScript realm, I really like Web Dev Simplified. I think his name is Kyle. He has incredible videos and I highly recommend them. To this day, I still go on Web Dev Simplified and I watch a video on React or caching or Next.js. I really like the way Kyle explains things and I think he does an amazing job. I highly recommend him to you. Now you're probably thinking this is the easy part. I've recommended you it. You just need to watch the videos, learn them, follow along with the YouTuber, and you'll get there in no time. I am fully aware you're probably not going to do that. If I'm being fully honest, I think the reason people struggle to pick up programming is just lack of consistency and lack of discipline. I'm here to give you the perfect formula to pick up programming in no time. And the way to do that is just by making programming a habit of yours. Dedicate 10 minutes a day to program, and I promise you it will increment, and the more you enjoy it, the more time you'll spend on it, and before you know it, you'll be programming every day and you've learned so much. I promise you that. Get yourself a calendar or a timetable. I've got one on the screen right now, and just look at your day and just dedicate 10 minutes. Minimum 10 minutes, that's all you need to do. Start a video on one of these courses and follow along for 10 minutes, set a timer. When the timer goes off, you decide yourself, hey, do I want to carry on or do I want to continue with this video? I kind of want to get to the end of what he's explaining. Just carry on that process and I promise you, you'll be finished with the course in no time. Consistency is everything, guys. You just got to be consistent, dedicated, give that 10 minutes in. That's all it is, just 10 minutes a day. And next thing you know, you'll be done. You don't need to pay $20, $50, $100 for these courses. I really want to target this video to people that were in my position when I was younger. I didn't pay a single penny for courses. I didn't have the $20, $50, or $100 to spend on a course. So I had to dedicate myself to just finding resources online, and you can do it too. You really don't need to pay for these courses. But that's enough talking on my part. I'm gonna attach all these YouTubers in the description below. Go on these videos, dedicate yourself 10 minutes a day, and I promise you, you'll be developing in no time. Peace.